Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Sunomono Salad. It's very easy, so you can make it in no time. Let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cucumbers, crab sticks, I have 6 here, some dried wakame seaweed, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons sugar, half a teaspoon instant Japanese soup stock, some sesame seeds. It's about 1 tablespoon. At first, I'm going to rehydrate this wakame seaweed. Prepare plenty of water. When this is rehydrated, it's spread out really big, so make sure to prepare plenty of water. Just leave it about 10 minutes until it's completely rehydrated. Then cucumbers. Let's cut the top off. And I'm going to slice it very thinly. So you can do it using your knife like this, or you can use vegetable slicer, either way. It's very thinly sliced, like a paper. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it. Put it aside and let it sit for 5 minutes until water comes out from the cucumber. Now I'm going to make the vinegary seasoning. So I have a large bowl here. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons sugar, half a teaspoon dashi soup stock, and mix. The cucumber I mixed with salt. It's rotted and wet, so I'm going to put this in here. But before I do that, I'm going to squeeze it really well to remove all the excess moisture. Squeeze it, and then put it in here. A lot of water came out from the cucumber. Then the wakame seaweed, you can see how big it becomes when it's rehydrated. Take some, squeeze it well, and put it in here. Then crab sticks. You just tear it into thin strips like this. And let's put some sesame seeds. Mix it well. And Sunomono salad is ready. So easy. Let's serve it in a little bowl. And Sunomono salad is good to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Today I used cucumber, wakame seaweed, and some crab sticks. But you can do it with cucumber alone, even easier. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!